welcome to our channel and welcome to the new vlog.
So today we are going to visit a beach location in Germany, which is Lübeck.
Before we dive into the beauty of Lübeck, let's talk about how to get there. First, you can take a flight to Hamburg or Lübeck. Second, there are Flixbuses, which is super budget-friendly option, and finally, there's the train, which is smooth and scenic. So now we are at the Flixbus station, and the name of this is Masur Nail, which is in Berlin, Germany. So here you will get different stops for different locations. Right now we are at the Hamburg one. But if you are traveling on a budget, Flixbus is the best option, and it's what we choose to.
So our bus was supposed to arrive at 7:30 a.m., but it got delayed by 30 minutes. The Flixbus is not always on time. The bus finally came and we loaded our luggage. So our tickets were booked for the upper deck. So we went there and there was a charging point and a tray table for eating stuff. And the seats were spacious, comfortable, and they were reclining too. And we were along the green fields of Berlin. Journey from Berlin to Hamburg took about 3.5 hours, and we were treated to beautiful countryside views, windmills, endless greenery, and pure peace.
So from the Hamburg Central Station, we came to Lübeck with RE, and this is a quick tip for students. If you have the Deutschland ticket, then you don't have to pay any fees for taking the RE, as students can access all the trains except ICE, like local train, trams, and buses too. So this is advantages for all the students who are studying in Germany.
Now we have reached the Lübeck city, and we are now waiting for our bus to enter the main Lübeck city, and then we will explore the city and also go to the beach, which is in Travel Mule. So let's see how the day goes.
Our first stop was Travemünde, and it was absolutely stunning. Travemünde is a seaside resort area located at the mouth of Trave River, right by the Baltic Sea. The beach is wide and peaceful with soft sand and relaxed vibes. You'll find traditional beach chairs perfect for soaking in the sun. There are plenty of beachside cafes and eateries, so it is a great spot to grab lunch and enjoy the views.
After a visit to the beach, we went to explore nearby restaurants. Found out most of the restaurants served classic German dishes, which was not according to our taste buds.
Next up, we went to one of Lübeck's most iconic landmarks, the Holsten Tor. This 15th century Gothic gate is one of the last remaining parts of Lübeck's medieval fortifications. Its twin rounded towers and arched gateway make it look like something out of a fairy tale, and it's even featured on some German coins. A must visit for history lovers and architectural fans alike. There is also a park near the Holsten Tor where you can sit and enjoy the sunset. Also, you can take your dogs to walk or just take a relaxed walk. Just a few steps from Holsten Tor, we visited the Salzspeiser, which is a salt storehouses. People enjoy to sit right by the canal and enjoy the sea breeze and the canal side view.
The old town of Lübeck truly gives you the classic European charm. Cobblestone streets, red brick houses, little boutiques, and cafes into narrow alleys. It was so beautiful, peaceful, and absolutely mesmerizing. We also saw the Rathaus, which is also known as the city's town hall, one of the oldest in Germany, built in the 13th century. And of course, we couldn't leave the Lübeck without visiting the famous Café Niederegger. This iconic spot is known for its world-famous marzipan, a sweet treat made from finely ground almonds and sugar. The cafe has a lovely ambience, a dessert shop with chocolates, pastries, and a huge variety of marzipan goodies. We reached the main Café Niederegger at 7 pm, but it was time for its closing, so we had to visit their takeout spot, which was just opposite the main cafe, and we bought a slice for ourselves.
tried a marzipan from the famous cafe which is in Lübeck, and marzipan is one of the famous item of the Lübeck. Like, it's definitely you have to try if you come to Lübeck. And we took which one was of hazelnut marzipan. You should definitely give it a try if you come to Lübeck. I'll show you the cafe and its name, but ensure that you come before 7 p.m. since it closes by 7 p.m. So come early so that you can enjoy the marzipan by sitting properly into their cafes. This is the Marktplatz, which is also known as Market Square in Lübeck. This structure shows the northern facade of the Lübeck's town hall, with specifically the market-facing side that opens onto the Marktplatz. The twin green copper towers on the left side belong to St. Mary's Church, a masterpiece of brick Gothic architecture and one of largest churches in the northern Germany. So that's it for today's video, as we have covered all the touristy spots in Lübeck. We hope you liked our video.
That's all for our day in Lübeck. So tomorrow we will go to Hamburg city and we will explore some locations there. So if you like this video, then subscribe, share and like this video.
And also comment down your suggestions if you have some to visit to Lübeck or Hamburg. So anyone who is wishing to visit these places, they can visit and will be helpful to them.
So comment down places we can visit for free using the Deutschland semester ticket.